I bet your website can't do this. Chad's gonna opt into my website. Say hi, Chad.
Hi, Chad.
Click the button, Chad.
You got it.
Huh. I wonder who that could be.
Josiah, you have a new lead from the campaign called Repoiser Demo. The lead name is Chad. Press 1 to call it now.
Let's give Chad a call.
Calling prospect.
Hello?
Say hi, Chad.
Hi, Chad.
I also could have sent him a ringless voicemail. Neat stuff, eh, Chad?
Sure is.
And would it blow your mind if Chad got a text message from my site too? Hey, Chad, did you get a text message from my site too?
I sure did.
Oh, and Chad's also gonna get an automated email whenever I set it to auto send. Get the email, Chad?
You betcha.
Amazing, right? Look, I bet you have a great website, or maybe it's crap. Either way, you have a chance to have a website that does this, a true mobile connection to your online presence. Oh, and if you don't have a website, there's a chance Chad and I can help you out with that too. We'll just throw in our wicked cool mobile connect tool for free. How's that sound, Chad?
Sounds pretty good to me.
Hear that? It sounds good to Chad. Guess the only thing you have left to do now is hit the link below. You're smart. You'll know what to do from there.